In this video today we're going to look at another math method within Java called round. So normally in programming, almost all languages, if you wanted to, so I have a double here called double y that's given the value 5.5, so it's a decimal number, right? If I want to find the integer of that value, we'll use z as our as our example here. So we want to take the integer of y, and then I'm just going to go ahead and print this off. So I'm going to cast this right here as an integer. Okay, so then z is going to be an integer value, and I'm going to print this off down here. And if I run this, what's going to end up happening is it'll be 5. It doesn't round that, and it should. It should round up to 6, right? But in programming, what we see is these numbers will what we call truncate. It will just basically delete this portion of the number and just drop it. Just get rid of it. It's no longer there and just leave you with the whole number. Okay, so what we can do in Java is we can use a math method. Make sure you install the proper tools there, but you can do math.round, and then we'll do y here. I'll just go ahead and delete the rest of this on here. Oh. Okay. So what this will do is it will round this number and then again convert it into an integer and cast it as an integer, but it will first round it. So it's going to take that number that I have there and it's going to round it. So we should round up to 6. So let's go ahead and run this. And there you go. So what happened here is this math.round took that 5.5, rounded it up to 6.0, and we can actually, if we were to remove this and make this a double, you'd see that it's just 6.0. And actually, we'll just go ahead and do this real quick. Maybe. It's running a little slow here. And there's your 6.0. Okay, so if I want to round a number, I'm just going to use math.round here. And again, can be used for, inputs and things like that as well. But that's how you use the rounding, and you don't have to use the truncating with programming. All right. Hopefully that helps you with your programming, and good luck.